Jinlong Academy.
Welcome to day 23. We're moving steadily through the HSK words. Let's focus on today's set and make them stick. 路 路 road 路口 路口 intersection, crossing 路上路上 on the road 妈妈妈妈 mom, mother 马路马路 road, street 马上马上 right off 妈妈 auxiliary word 买买 buy 慢慢 slow 忙忙 busy. Well done on day 23. You're past the 200-word mark and still going strong. Keep that energy up. See you for day 24.